This video is on simultaneous equations, which are equations involving two or more unknowns that are to have the same value in each equation. We're going to start with linear equations. You can solve linear simultaneous equations in two ways. The first way is elimination. So I've got an example question. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 8. And the second equation is 3x minus y equals 23. Now you need to make sure either the x's or the y's are the same. So here we've got none the same right now, but if we times this by 3, we'll have 3y here as well as there. And then if we add these two equations together, sometimes you'll need to subtract, we will get 11x equals 77, and therefore x equals 7. Then once you've got one of the values, either x or y, you substitute that into one of the original equations to find the value for y. So if we substitute x into this equation here, we will get y equals minus 2. And that's our answer for that. The second way we can solve two linear simultaneous equations is substitution. For example, if we have x plus 3y equals 11 and 4x minus 5y equals 10, we can rearrange this equation, the top one, to get x on its own. And then since x equals 11 minus 3y, we substitute this into here for x. So 4 times 11 minus 3y minus 5y equals 10. And we can multiply out this and rearrange it. Therefore 34 equals 17y, y equals 2. And then again, like we did with the first one, you substitute this y value back into one of these to give us x equals 5. However, sometimes we might have one quadratic and one linear equation. So in this circumstance, you need to substitute the linear equation into the quadratic. For example, if we have x plus 2y equals 3, that's the linear equation, and then we have the quadratic equation x squared plus 3xy equals 10. We rearrange the top equation to get x on its own. You could rearrange it to get y on its own as well, but I think this is an easier way. X equals 3 minus 2y. And then, like we did here in this substitution method, we substitute this x into this equation. So we will get 3 minus 2y all squared plus 3 minus 2y, because we've got another x here, y equals 10. And now we can see that we've eliminated all the x's from the equation and we've just got y's in place. So then if you expand all that out, you get 4y squared plus 9 minus 12y plus 9y minus 6y squared equals 10. Then you can simplify that and you'll get 2y squared plus 3y plus 1 equals 0, and then factorise. Therefore, y equals minus 1 or y equals minus a half. So with these quadratic ones, you need to be careful because there's usually more than one solution for y and x. So then you need to substitute each of these y values into one of the original equations separately to find your x values. So when y equals minus 1, x equals 5. And when y equals a half, x equals 4. Thanks for watching.